Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affairs of 22 September. Let's start. Which Indian film assigned to Oscar 2026? So which film of Indian has been signed to the Oscar 2026? That is Homebound. Homebound is signed to the Oscar in 2026. If we talk about 2025 best movie goes to Anora, best director Sean Baker, best film, best animated film Flow, international feature film I Am Still Here. It's important static. So Oscar first award goes in 1929. So Indian film signed to Oscar 2026 is Homebound. First Indian bowler to take 100 wicket in T20. That is Arshdeep Singh. Arshdeep became the first Indian bowler to take wicket in T20. 100 wicket in T20. If we talk about other 100 wickets, Vinod Mankad has taken 100 wicket in Test cricket. Kapil Dev has been take wickets 100 wickets in ODIs. So now T20 100 wickets goes to Arshdeep Singh. If we talk about Arshdeep Singh, he belongs to Guna, Madhya Pradesh. State of Global Water Resources 2025 report released by World Meteorological Organization. State Global Water Resources 2025. So it releases some facts in this report. Some important facts is 2024 is the highest temperature of the year. Global temperature increases from 1.55 degrees Celsius. So if we talk about World Meteorological Organization, it established on 23 March 1950. Its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Its president is Abdullah Al Mandoz from UAE. India's first international fencing competition to be held in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. From 19 to 23 September, countries 17 plus. Fencing Association of India is started from the year 1974. Its headquarters in Delhi, India. Its president is Satej Patel. Recently discovered 2025 PN7 is a Earth quasi-moon. So what is Earth quasi-moon? Earth quasi-moon is a moon that revolves around the sun. So its name is PN7 and it's also known as asteroid Arjun asteroid. Its Justice PB Bajantri has been appointed as the new CJ of which High Court? That is Patna High Court. PB Bajantri has been appointed as the new CJ of Chief Justice of Patna High Court. CISF new DG, that is CISF new Director General became Praveer Ranjan. Praveer Ranjan became the new Director General of Central Industrial Security Force. Praveer Ranjan. It started from the year 1969. It established in 1969 under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Its headquarters in New Delhi. So CISF new Director General became Ranveer Ranjan. In which place India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated India's first defence manufacturing plant in Africa? That is Morocco. So Rajnath Singh inaugurated India's first defence manufacturing plant in Morocco, Africa continent. International Day of Peace celebrated from the year 1982 and its day is 21 September. So International Day of Peace 21 September, its theme is Act Now for Peaceful World. Busan Film Festival, which Indian actress won. So Busan Film Festival, Indian actress won by Huma Qureshi. Busan is a city of South Korea. So it was won by Huma Qureshi, Busan Film Festival. Busan Film Award started from the year 1996. It's the 30th edition. On 22nd September 2025, Piyush Goyal will travel to which city for India-US trade talks? That is Washington, D.C. The Chief Minister of Bihar will launch how many urban development projects on 22 September 2025? That is 1300. The GST reform awareness campaign launched by the UP government will run during which dates? 22 to 29 September. The Sharadya Navratri 2025 festival begin with which ritual? That is Ghat Sthapana. Which city is observing No Car Day on 22 September 2025 for the third consecutive year? That is Indore. So Megasthenes is from Greece. In 302 BCE, ambassador in Chandragupta Maurya court wrote Indica. So Megasthenes came into the Chandragupta Maurya court, wrote Indica. Hua Hin is from China, 399 CE, visited during the Gupta rule. Hua Hin, Gupta rule, wrote Fo Gu Ji. So first Megasthenes in 302 BCE, second Hua Hin, 399 CE. Huan Sang from China in 629 BCE came in Harsha's region, wrote Siyu Ki, it's important one. Siyu Ki written by Huan Sang from China in Harsha's court. Ai Singh from China studied Buddhism, wrote a record of Buddhist practice. Niccolo Conti from Italy in 15th century described the Vijayanagar Empire. Rashtrakuta. Al-Musudi wrote about Rashtrakuta in 10th century. Al-Biruni, 11th century, came with Muhammad of Ghaznavi, wrote Tahqiq-e-Hind. Al-Biruni wrote Tahqiq-e-Hind. 11th century came with Muhammad Ghaznavi, wrote Tahqiq-e-Hind. Marco Polo from Venice in 13th century visited South India, described the Pandya kingdom. Marco Polo has described Pandya kingdom. Ibn Battuta came to Muhammad bin Tughlaq's court, wrote Rihla. Ibn Battuta wrote Rihla in court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, MBT. It's important one, Ibn Battuta. Abdur Razak from Persia in 15th century, envoy of Vijayanagar, described the Hampi. So Abdul Razak described Vijayanagar, Hampi. So guys, we have completed important current affair facts, MCQ and strategy. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please share with your friend and support the channel. So thank you for watching and please take care.